Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ritza and today I'm bringing you a vlog. But today today's June 7th, 2022, and the time is I don't know, it's around 10 o'clock or something, and I'm about to go to a boat ride because I wanted to do something fun for like my 1 year anniversary of moving out of my parents' house. So I'm about to go to this building, and I said this morning I said that today's gonna be a very special day and magical, and so I'm praying, and I have all the faith in the world that today is going to be that magical day. Yeah, I'm about to go, and fasten your seatbelt and join the ride because that's what we finna do. Peace. Hey guys, so I am here near the boats, and surprisingly I didn't get lost. I thought I was gonna get lost, but I didn't, and I am so excited. So they're gonna be loading up the boat in like 20 minutes, and so I gotta wait because I have nothing better to do. But I'm excited. Bro, it's kind of weird, like videotaping in public, and I see why people say it's weird. But yeah, the boat's gonna load up in like 10 minutes or 10-20 minutes at 11:50, and I'll see you guys. I'll show you guys what I see. So peace.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up.
I just got off the boat, and now I'm heading to my car because I don't want a ticket. Hey guys, so I just got off the boat, and I think I made it just on time before getting a ticket. And sorry for the lighting. Let me see if I could change that real quick. Okay, I can't do anything about that, but I'm gonna put y'all down real quick and we're gonna chat a little bit when I get to the lights. So hold on one second. All right guys, so I had a great experience and it was really fun, and now I'm about to go see if I could find the mansions that I saw. How do I get out of this? Oh no. How do I get out? Okay. Okay. As soon as I figure out where to leave. This is so weird because it says exit, but there's only like, huh? How do I get out of here? Okay, so God, I'll see you guys later. Peace. Okay guys, I asked for help and I found the exit. That is so funny. Like what? I've never seen of like a ramp down. What? This is so so cool. I found the exit. Yes, I was getting so anxious. But next I'm about to see if I could go find a on the boat ride. I saw like a whole bunch of mansions and stuff, and I want to see if I could go find where they're at. So yeah, that's where we're gonna head on to next. Oh, it's a one-way. Because those were some really nice houses that I seen on the what are they called, on the boat, and it was so exciting to see those nice mansions. And I know they're along the beach now, and so let's see if we could go find them. Hey guys, I just want to mention that I like to drive around nice houses in good areas just to visualize my future and start manifesting my future house. Just want to point that out because I didn't make that clear, but that's what I do for fun. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see y'all on the flip side. Peace. This was my first boat ride, and I'm so like grateful and excited that I got to experience this. It was a great experience. It's nice getting to experience and getting out for a while, because I've been like always working and stuff. But I'm gonna go see if I can find some of these mansions, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I went to look for those mansions, but I couldn't find them. Like, I knew that they were along the beach, but I didn't know exactly where the entrance was to see the the big houses and stuff. But they probably could have, most likely were in gated communities anyways. So I don't know, but I am back home, and I honestly don't even know what to do. Because today until like 7 o'clock I have the day off, and so maybe working on marketing, like social media marketing, things like that. And so yeah, but I'm getting a phone call, but I'll see you guys later. Peace. Hey guys, it's the next day, and I didn't have anything to vlog yesterday that was like worth showing, so I didn't vlog. But it's a new day. It is June 7th, it's June 8th, sorry, 2022, and I'm about to go to Target to buy some stuff. So I wanted to make like these beef patties, and so I'm gonna bring you guys with me, and so let's get into it.
You ready?
Hey y'all, so I just left Target, and I literally said that I was gonna buy 2 things, but all of a sudden I became that person who said that they're gonna buy 2 things and leave the store with more than 2 things. So I got some really cool stuff. and also some breakfast items too. But I'm about to go to Walmart real quick to get just 2 little things, and then, all right, I'm actually gonna go to Walmart and get 2 things and walk out the store. I'm gonna be a person of my word this time. But I'll see you guys after Walmart because I'm literally going for 2 things, and so there's no point, but peace. Hey guys, so I am back at Mikasa and I'm back from Walmart. So I did go inside the store to buy 2 things that I needed to make my puff patties. But right now I'm about to go work on some things, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit to make the pastry patties. Peace. Hey guys, so as you guys saw, my little beef puff patties, whatever you want to call them, are done. It's so flaky, but I'm gonna try it, and this is how it looks. This is a beef one, but let's try. This is best. This is how it looks on the inside. But it's best. It's best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember that you are beautiful, you're blessed. Never settle for less. Love yourself. Oh man, I wish I had the love yourself. Is this one? This does not look like a heart. Love yourself, know your worth, and feel free to like, subscribe, and share this with another friend. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. So peace. Bye.